Hello dear friends. As you know, the contents that I offer you on our channel are all strategies that have been tested personally for weeks or even months, and I am confident that they provide a good reward-risk ratio. Our only goal here is to help you become more successful in financial markets with every passing day and every transaction you make, and I thank everyone who appreciates and supports our goal by liking and commenting. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, comment and share the channel on your social networks so that it can reach a wider audience.
I will show you a very simple and surprisingly profitable strategy today, compiled with many examples. I have organized this strategy especially for investors who do not have time to work on charts in detail, and who are tired of looking at financial charts for a long time. Let's first integrate the single indicator we will use in our trading into our chart, and adjust its settings. Now that we have made the settings for our indicator, let's move on to very simple strategy rules. Rule 1. When the price is trading above HOMA, we only look for long positions, and when the price is trading below HOMA, we only look for short positions. The color of the HOMA line is not import. Rule 2. Now, as in the example we'll show you, the price is trading above HOMA, we must see a total of 4 consecutive red Heikin Ashi candles. This is an absolute rule. We can open a trade with the closing of a green Heikin Ashi candle that does not have a doji. Our stop loss level should be below the last low swing. When the price reaches the 1-to-1 profit level, pulling the stop loss level to the entry point of the trade is applicable for a higher profit aim, without risk. However, there is a very important point. If any candle closes below the HOMA line while the trade is still active, the trade will be closed regardless of the profit amount. For example, in this case, we can see that the profit is very high. But if we do not close the trade at fixed points such as 1-to-2, 1-to-3 or 1-to-5, we must close the trade on this candle below the HOMA line. Now, let's take a look at a few examples of long trades in a row. Hit the target.
Yes.
The price is above the HOMA. There are 4 or more consecutive red Heikin Ashi candles, and we are opening the trade with the voluminous green candle. Don't forget to pull the stop loss level to the entry point when the price reaches the 1-to-1 point. Hit the target. Now, let's take a look at an example of a short trade. The price is below the HOMA. There are 4 or more consecutive green Heikin Ashi candles, and we are opening the trade with the voluminous red candle. Don't forget to pull the stop loss level to the entry point when the price reaches the 1-to-1 point. I believe you have understood the rules of this easy strategy. If there is something you are stuck on, please write it in the comment section, and I will be happy to help you. Now, I aim to reinforce the strategy with a few examples displayed on the screen in a row. Please continue without skipping the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I am sharing with you the strategies that I have tried and tested over the years, and achieved real profits. For those who do not believe it, I would like to emphasize that all the profit rates you see on the screen belong to me. There is nothing else to do. Please
For those
do
who
not
still
get
do not
overly
believe
motivated by the leverage and profit ratios here. These ratios are purely for professional traders. Of course, my aim with the videos on my channel is to take you to this level as well. That is why it is important to follow all the videos from beginning to end without skipping. With that reminder, I will now be quiet and display the other trades on the screen.